Let's learn English by listening. Lesson 5. A conversation between two friends.
Hey Ben, Allison just called me. Really? What did she tell you? She was asking for you. Oh, I haven't seen her lately. I didn't know that. Can you tell her something? Sure. What is that? No, better, can you give me her number? Sure, I can. Here it is. Thank you. Can you help me with something? Of course. Tell me. I need to ask you some questions. What is it for? It's just a survey from my college. All right, let's do it. Great. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook very well. Can you cook many dishes? No, I can't. What dishes can you cook? I can cook rice with chicken. That's delicious. I like it fried. I can make it fried or baked. Can you speak more than one language? Yeah, I can speak French and English. How well can you speak them? I can speak them very well. Great. Can you show me, please? People always ask me that. Yeah, I get it. Don't worry. Can you go to the next question? Sure. Can you jump? Sure, I can jump. Alright, and how high can you jump? I can't jump very high. It's difficult. Okay. Can you sing? I can sing, but not very well. So, can't you sing? Alright then, I can't sing. Okay, tell me, can you dance? I'm not sure about that. What do you mean you're not sure? I don't know. Can or can't you dance? I can dance, but just rock music. Can you dance salsa or any other music? No, I can't dance Latin music. Can you repeat that, please? No, I can't dance Latin music. Alright, thank you. But I can dance rock and pop. That's not exactly dancing. Oh, alright then. Another one. Can you draw? No, I can't. I can paint. Where do you paint? I usually paint at home. How well can you paint? Very well. Excellent. I can't paint anything. I can teach you if you want. Really? Can you do that? Of course I can. You are my friend. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Next question. Can you read fast? Sure, I can do it. How fast can you read? I can read a book in a week. I can read 2 books in a week. Oh, I can't do that. But a book a week is good too. I can try to do that. Sure, try it. It is funny. I'll do it. Thanks. Can you write very well? No, I can't. Why can't you do that? I don't usually write anything. But you can write, can't you? Of course, but not very well. Oh, I get it. I could write in the school. I remember that. You were good at writing. I was, but not anymore. Alright, can you drive a car? I can drive my car. I didn't know you had a car. Well, it's my father's car. I see, but you can drive it. Absolutely. I can drive it very well. I can't drive a car, you know? Don't you have a car? No, I don't, but my mother has one. Would you like to learn? Of course, I'd love it. I can teach you if you want. Really? When can you teach me? I am not sure. Can you make it this weekend? I don't think so. Can you make it the next weekend? I can't make it. Sorry. When can you teach me then? The next month, I have some time. Can you make it the last Sunday? Sure, that's good for me. Great, I really appreciate it. Don't worry about that, my friend. Thanks. Can you drink alcohol? No, I can't. You know that. Sorry, I had to ask. Don't worry, but I can't. Alright, last question and we finish. Okay, because I have to go now. Can you play video games? I can, of course. I always play video games. How many hours can you be playing? I don't know. Can't you remember? No, but I think I can play for many hours. I see. Is that all then? Yep. Can you sign here, please? Sure, I can do it. Give me your pen. Here you are. Okay, it's done. It was interesting. Thank you. Can you please write your name? Oh, sorry, I didn't see it. That's okay. Just write it here. Great. Now it's done. Alright, I really thank you for your time. My pleasure. See you. See you. Take care. I hope you really liked this conversation. If you could improve your English and practice a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video.